What's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of CS Unwrapped. From ATG, I am Kevin and this is Chloe. And today we're talking about BIMBOX.
What's a BIMBOX?
You'll find out.
What's in the box?
Are you gonna tell me what a BIMBOX is or what?
So I want you to imagine a scenario. Let's say someone comes into work, they go to their computer, they start opening a model, but it's taking a while. So they decide to go grab some coffee, make a lap around the office, talk to their friends or coworkers, and they come back and it still hasn't loaded.
Gross.
Exactly. So that's where a BIMBOX can come in. BIMBOX is a computer that's specifically made for the AEC industry, so we can cut down on those slow loading times and increase your productivity and efficiency, so that way you're not waiting for models just to load.
So what makes this BIMBOX so fancy?
Well, it has an advanced liquid cooling system.
How is liquid advanced?
It has a 360 millimeter cooling system paired with a steel frame and then a brushed aluminum outside, so it has positive airflow.
That's cool.
It's quite literally very cool.
So the cooler the computer, the better.
Exactly. Super hot computer is no good. You want that computer to be cool at all times. So it's fast.
Cool computer good, hot computer bad.
Yes, you're getting it. It's also worth pointing out that the processors are also very, very fast and some of the fastest on the market. So that's another reason why it's so fast.
Now, if you think Kevin's lying about all this, we do have an ROI calculator on this website in which you can go to and do a side-by-side comparison on a BIMBOX computer versus your own computer.
It's also worth pointing out that if you're working with HP or Dell and you're having a problem running Revit and you call their support, they're probably going to be confused what Revit is. And at ATG, our BIMBOX support and our Autodesk support are one and the same. So we're a one-stop shop for both solutions.
So let me get this straight. A BIMBOX computer is a computer that is specifically designed for the AEC space in which you can run all of your Autodesk programming on and not experience any waiting period. You can get your projects done on time and faster, and if you do it through ATG, you also get support with that as well.
Yes, exactly.
It's pretty cool, just like a BIMBOX.
Seems like a no-brainer, right?
Does.
That does it for this week's episode of CS Unwrapped. If you guys are interested in more advanced tech for your company, just let us know. From ATG, I am Kevin, and this is Chloe. We'll see you guys next time.
Toodles, labradoodles.
Opening a model, but it's taking a while. So they decided to go grab some coffee,